What if I told you that the difference between struggling traders and consistently profitable ones isn't talent or luck or even capital? It's risk management, network, and information access. What if I told you I could give you that network and information without the 10 years it took me to build it? Here's the truth about trading. You're competing against people who have resources you probably don't. They're in group chats with other successful traders. They're getting insights in real time. They're spending 20, 30, sometimes 40 hours a week researching positions. And most retail traders, they're doing this alone. Doom scrolling Reddit, watching YouTube, maybe following some Twitter accounts, hoping they catch the right play at the right time. That was me a few years ago, but over this last decade, I've built something different. I'm part of 5 trading communities, not the free Discord servers with 10,000 people and noise, real networks I'm connected to. Traders pulling in a few thousand a month, all the way up to people who have had $1 million days in the market. Every day, my phone lights up with trade ideas, market analysis, and risk management strategies. I'm constantly getting insights most people will never see. I've spent 20 hours a week researching stocks, analyzing plays, and backtesting strategies. 6 months ago, I asked myself a question. Why am I hoarding all of this? Why should everyone else have to spend a decade building these networks? Why should they spend hundreds of hours making the same mistakes I already made? That's why I created Market Insights and Trading Trends, MITT for short. Here's what Market Insights and Trading Trends actually is. It's your direct line into these networks. It's the research I'm doing every week, packaged and delivered to you by a paid copywriter. It's the insights from traders who are actively making money in the markets, not just talking about it. Every week you get curated trade ideas from proven sources, market analysis that cuts through the noise, risk management strategies that actually work, and the plays I'm watching. And again, this isn't just some theory or ideas. We have a collective 2 portfolio that ranks in the top 10%. We spent 6 months proving this works with consistent weekly posts. Market Insights and Trading Trends is your shortcut, plain and simple. But here's why I'm making this video right now. We're approaching 1,000 subscribers, and for 6 months, I've been giving away a ton of value for free to prove this works. In 2026, that changes. We're moving to a paid membership model because of the amount of time, research, and access this requires deserves to be compensated. I know this may upset some, but when you pay attention. Right now, during our holiday deals, you can lock in a price that you will never see again. This is the last chance to get premium access for a fraction of what it will cost next year. Once we flip that switch into 2026, most of this content gets paywalled for the paying members. And trust me, the price is only going up. The free version will still exist, but it's going to be a fraction of what you're getting now. So here's my ask. If you've been on the fence, now is the time. You either spend the next 10 years building your own network, spending 20+ hours a week on research, making expensive mistakes along the way, or you can take the shortcut, get access to the networks, the research, and the market insights that are already working. Link is in the description. Lock in your holiday rate before it's gone. Let's make 2026 your best trading year yet. See you inside.